I'm really emotional. This is our last week in Isuofia. We are flying back to Switzerland. I don't know, I'll miss everything about this place. Everything. The people, the food, the culture, the language. This year has been amazing. Like a really great opportunity for the kids to come back, go to school, learn the language, feel home, for me to be here, experience the life, not just vacation, but really being a part of the family, part of being here and living here. And for Ezengwa too, who has been in Switzerland for almost 24 years now, coming back not just for holiday, but really to try and see how it feels to be back here. It has been so important for us as a family to do this, and I'm so grateful we had the opportunity. There's many reasons to go back, there's many reasons not to. I guess it's not the right time for us to relocate for good. We wanted to come and live here many years ago, but because of COVID and some circumstances, we never actually managed to do it. So last year we just said, hey, the kids are growing, it's time to come. If we don't come now, it's going to be difficult for them. So we just, without much money really, we just decided to come here and just, at least for some time, live here and use this opportunity before the kids are adults, because then it would have been too late. And it's difficult because it means that we have to go back. Living in Nigeria is really amazing, but you need money to live here. And we have not had the opportunity to establish a business that can feed a family of 6. Sending 4 kids to school in this country is not an easy thing. So we just decided to do it for a year. And now we have to go back to Switzerland, go and work, go and try harder, so that maybe in the next few years we can come and live here for good, but at least we managed to bring our kids home for some time, and they will grow up proudly being, Ndibo, proudly knowing the language, having friends here for a lifetime. And anytime they will come back, they will go to the school they used to go to. They will go to the friends they used to see. They will remember the kids they used to play with here in the village or even in Enugu, remembering another home away from the home that they know in Switzerland. And for me too, this year really was an amazing journey. And I will now live with 2 hearts beating in my chest. The chest, the heart, with the Swiss origin that always feels so comfortable when I'm in Switzerland. Knowing where I'm from, being proud of where I'm from. But also the heart that feels home here in Nigeria, that feels home here in Igbo land. That breathes out every time I land in this country. I will miss so many things. It's crazy. Like, I go back with a happy and a sad heart, and I will be in Switzerland remembering Nigeria with a happy and a sad heart. I guess that's my destiny, to be home in 2 places. And since they are so far away and it's so expensive to come back here with 4 kids, the flights alone is a huge amount of money that we will spend to just come here for holidays next time, which makes it even worse. Like, I don't know when we're gonna be back, but I'm just grateful for the time we had here. And I was sitting with the Zengwa in our compound tonight, listening to Oliver the cook. His parents are late, and I know his dad especially was always worried if this relationship was meant to be, and if we would make it, and if we would bring our kids home. But I know tonight, even from heaven, his father is watching us, and he knows that he wasn't wrong. You know, we will keep this legacy going. We will return here, our kids will return here, and their children will return here, because we made a commitment to be very intentional about raising our children, and to be very intentional about coming home. With all the ups and downs that come with it, I'm proud of what we have achieved this year. And I'm even prouder of what we are going to achieve in the future. This is just the beginning. Isuofia, I'll miss you. Ala Igbo, I'll miss you. Nigeria, I'll miss you. But I'll be back.